So we just picked up 2 small roadkill deer to feed the pack. Can you get it, buddy? There you go. There you go. Looking good. And we want them all over on the other side. So, I'll grab this one here. Guys, you can see they're not very hungry at all. These are 2 nice fresh roadkill deer. They've got liver chunks all over in here, liver and heart. We just got a really generous donation this morning. Lady brought over a bunch of venison, livers, hearts. These guys got so much food in here to eat. It's crazy. There's 2 older carcasses from a few weeks back. But yeah, they're eating like kings.